大家好，我是欧老师，很高兴认识你。I am the founder of Michelle's Design House New York, an English language immersive camp for children ages 5 through 12. I have my bachelor's degree in psychology, specializing in early childhood education, my master's degree in administrative sciences, my Teach English as a Foreign Language certificate, and my teaching certificate from Harvard University. I have extensive research experience helping to create content for children's television shows, and I enjoy bringing creativity into my digital classrooms. Mastering the English language is all about vocabulary, sentence structure, and daily usage. In this series, we're going to learn how to use these daily words in everyday situations in my hometown, New York. 我们开始吧 Let's get started.
今天的单词是暴风雪，用英文我们说 snowstorm. Snowstorm is a noun. 让我们用这个单词造句。Schools are usually closed during a snowstorm. This snowstorm was recorded in Manhattan from an apartment building. Once the snow has finished falling, it's very normal to see children playing outside, making snowmen, snow angels, and even having snowball fights.
Try making your own sentence using this word in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily content. 再见!